So now we can picture why anaesthesia comes and ruins all of that and encourages vast amounts of heat loss from your anaesthetized patient. So first of all, your anesthetic agent, whether that's a volatile agent or an intravenous agent, will affect the hypothalamus, and it will change the set point that the hypothalamus is trying to achieve from 37 down to 34, meaning it won't encourage the body to generate and conserve heat until the body's core temperature is below 34 degrees Celsius. So you'll start losing heat and your body's not going to do anything about it. Secondly, we've immobilized our patient. Whether we've used any muscle relaxant or not, doesn't matter. The patient is now not moving. So all the heat generated by muscle contraction has been obliterated. And if we are breathing for the patient, then their respiratory muscles aren't generating any heat either. So they massively reduce how much heat they actually generate as a result of the fact that they're not moving. And of course, if your patient is immobile, they can't do any of those heat-seeking behaviors that we talked about earlier. They can't put on a jumper. They can't go find extra sources of heat. Thirdly, we vasodilate the patient artificially, whether we've given an intravenous or a volatile agent, or we've done regional anesthesia, such as a spinal or an epidural, and induced a state of vasodilatation. This further increases heat loss from the body, rapidly accelerates how much is lost from the skin. So for those exam questions where you're asked why do anaesthetized patients lose heat so quickly, your answers are: 1, you've reset the hypothalamic set point to 34 degrees Celsius. You've immobilized your patient, so they're not generating heat through their respiratory or skeletal muscles, and they cannot perform heat-seeking behaviors. And you've artificially vasodilated your patient, so that encourages heat loss from the body. And all of these work together very, very quickly to mean your patient's temperature will drop very rapidly in theatre unless you do something to warm them up.